Okay, I'm Branko Neskov. I'm a re-recording mixer and supervising sound editor based in Lisbon, Portugal. And I've been working on mostly feature films for several decades now. I'm a member of Cinema Audio Society, and I haven't done many famous films, so you'll probably not find my name under those famous titles like uh, I don't know which, but um, I've done about 300 of those unfamous and not known films. So that's some mileage that I have put together. Uh, in Lisbon, Portugal, and in Portugal itself, uh, our studio is doing pretty much uh, half of the national production per year, which keeps us quite busy, I would say.